So good morning, class 6 children. Let's continue with worksheet number 28 related to chapter number 14. This is the second worksheet of chapter number 14. So your question number 1 is pick the most appropriate answer. So your question number 1 is A part. Ocean water reaches to us by how? Rivers, ponds. Yes, Arnav Singh Tomar. How? Sorry. Yes, Arnav Singh Tomar. How it reaches to us? Arnav Agarwal.
By all of these.
By rivers, ponds, water cycles, or all of these?
मैम नो मैम मैम फर्स्ट का मैम पॉन्ड्स होगा पॉन्ड्स
No. Ocean water, how it reaches to us? Ocean water reaches to us by water cycle. This is the way only. That is, it reaches to by the water cycle. Number 2, kindly mute yourself. Second, evaporation of sea water takes place during daytime, during noon, during night time, throughout day and night. So it takes place during, yes or no? I had marked that this takes place throughout day and night. Because evaporation takes place at any of the time. It may day or it may night. Number 3, which of the following processes helps in transfer of water to air?
Both A and B.
Beta, you have to raise hand only. Options: evaporation, condensation, transpiration, both A and C. So yes, evaporation and transpiration, both processes are there which helps to transfer the water to the air. Next, fourth, floods occur in the regions.
excuse me what is
Yes,
the
Puneet.
answer of ma'am
Puneet.
third
The third is in front of you. Seen which I had put a tick. Yes, Puneet, unmute.
मैम ये पार्ट over there oh वो देश में sharpener
Yes, Puneet, unmute. Floods occur, yes, occurs in the region when it rains excessively. Okay, where it rains excessively. A part is the right option. Number 5, water, yes, Kashvi. Water table refers to level of surface water, level of sea water, level of groundwater, or none of these.
Level of groundwater.
Yes, level of groundwater it refers to. Next is Vedic. Which of the following is an example of reuse of water to prevent its wastage? Which of the following is an example of?
मैम क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया
Number 6, reuse of water to prevent wastage. Where we reuse the
I
water.
can tell ma'am I can tell by using the water from the washing clothes to wash floor.
Beta, I'm saying kindly raise your hand. Don't speak in between. By reusing the water for washing clothes. Next is by discharging factory waste in rivers or canals, by discharging sewage and waste material into oceans, by reusing the water for washing the clothes to wash clothes. So we can use the last one. Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, the answer is D part by reusing the water from washing clothes to wash clothes.
Yes. So children, these are the MCQs. Kindly mark the MCQs if you have not done. I hope you have done. Should I clear? Next question is true or false. So let's write down for it. This B part. State whether the following statements are true or false. So again, we have to put a tick for it. Yes, Vedic.
Ma'am, the evaporation process occurs only in the presence of sunlight. Ma'am, false.
Okay, it is false. Next, Arnav. Arnav Agarwal. The number of people using water is decreasing with rising population. Yes, Arnav Singh Tomar or Puneet. Yes, Puneet.
Ma'am, true.
And false.
Yes, it is true. Because the
Ma'am,
number
true.
of, as the population is increasing, so the water is decreasing. Ocean water can be used directly. Yes, Kashvi. Or Vaibhav
Ma'am,
Babu.
ocean water can be used directly, false, because it's salty.
Yes. Number 4. In our country, most of the rainfall occurred during the monsoon season. Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true because even the farmers wait for the monsoon season to occur. Cooling is necessary for condensation of water vapor into droplets. Yes, is it true or false?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Next is, there has been a loss of groundwater due to overuse. It is false. There is no loss of water, groundwater for the overuse. Yes, it is. Is it true or false, children?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. If we are using the overusing the water, then what will happen? There will be a loss of groundwater. The groundwater will be reduced. Next, dash of the earth is covered with water.
The market Ma'am, 91%. Ma'am, 91% of the earth is covered with water.
Zunair, beta, wait for your turn. Don't speak like this, otherwise there is a confusion. So you may write down 95%. Write down. Or you may write down that 2/3 of the water is covered, of the earth is covered with water. So anything you may write down. Okay. 95%. Next,
The after.
Can I tell the next one?
salt water has many. Yes, Arnav.
Salt. Sea water has many salt dissolved in it.
Sea water has many salts. So you may write down salts. Salts dissolving. Let's move to the next page. Next is, children. Heating is essential to convert water into its, yes, Vedic,
Ma'am, vapor.
vapors. Vapors. Next, water vapor enters the air through the process of evaporation and
Transpiration. And
Write down.
transpiration.
side by side, keep on writing, children. The total amount of water on the earth remains. This is given in your book. How much amount of the water is there? Huh? The amount of water on the earth remains. Means the water which is suitable for drinking. Kitna percent water hai? How much percent of? Yes, it is 2%. 2% of water is there. Okay. The percent क्या लिख लेना? I don't have this. Percent. Next is 2%. Okay, next is rainwater that falls on concrete roads and buildings flows into the rainwater which falls on concrete roads. The pakka road where if that rainfall water falls, where does that goes? Tell me.
Yes, only.
That moves into ground. That moves into ground. So children, give one term for the following. Tiny droplets of water floating in the air. Yes, yes, Arnav.
And clouds.
These are clouds. You need to write down one word. This is clouds. Water collected below the land surface.
Groundwater.
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 Groundwater. Circulation of water through air, ocean and land.
Ma'am, water cycle.
Yes.
Ma'am, water cycle.
Next is very short answer type question. Name the sources of water on the earth. What are the different sources?
Rivers.
Yes.
Ma'am, glacier. Wells. Ma'am, seas.
Ma'am, glaciers, rivers, ponds.
Yes, rivers, ponds, lake, glaciers. These are the sources of water on the surface. Next, what happens during transpiration? What happens during transpiration? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, the water forms on leaves and plants.
Yes. The water gets evaporated. The loss of water by the leaves of the plants, that is known as transpiration. So the question is what happened during transpiration? So water changes into water vapor. The water changes to water vapor. Okay.
मैम आपने चेंजेस में H के बाद S लगा
Yes,
दिया.
wait for a second. Go for the next one. What is rain? Write down rain, or you may write down these are tiny droplets. Tiny water droplets. Tiny water droplets falling from.
Can I tell one more definition?
Falling from clouds. Yes.
Ma'am, one more definition can be water
Yes,
droplets falling from the clouds when clouds burst open due to heaviness.
Yes, you may write down from clouds. You write down from clouds. Okay. Next is what feeds open wells? How that open wells get water? What feeds open wells?
Groundwater.
Groundwater?
Groundwater helps to
Okay.
feeds open wells.
Yes, Arnav, you tell. Is it a groundwater?
Ma'am, groundwater is the water present below the earth's surface that helps to feed the open wells.
Yes. So groundwater, but the rest you can write down the complete sentence your own. So from mine side, the groundwater fills the open wells. Next, F part, short answer type questions. It is difficult to notice the loss of water from a bucket full of water. Why? So I think first of all, just try to understand the question. When you have kept the water bucket full of water outside, then what happens? It is difficult to notice the loss of water. Why that happens? Because the process of evaporation is very slow. Kindly write down. Because process of evaporation is very slow. Okay. Because the process of evaporation is very slow, that's why it can't be seen. Next, during winters, why do we see more fog enclosed across where than that of lot of trees? Okay. Tell me, can I have the answer for this question? Why that happened? So write down the answer for question number 3, that we need to conserve water for the future use also, because none of the activities can be done without using the water. Okay, and water is a very less water is there for usage purpose. So that's why we need to conserve water. Very less amount of water is there for the usage. Done? So children, write down. So your both of the worksheets has been covered.
Mama, I have done.
Okay, good. If you have done, this is your worksheet number 28. Okay, children. I hope each one of you have written the answers.